Welcome back to my channel. I'm Carla, if you're new here. Every now and again, as my channel has begun to grow, I get approached by companies asking me if I'd be interested in reviewing one of their products. And some of those things are not things that I feel would fit with whatever it is that I do here. So some of them I turned down. But a couple of weeks ago, I was approached by something that was right up my alley, and that was Zinff.com. www.zinff with 2 F's on the end.com. They sell eyewear. They sell glasses. They sell affordable eyewear, much cheaper than your high street opticians or the well-known chains. Their prices start from 16 quid for frames. That's amazing. So when they approached me and said, would you like to review a couple of our pairs of glasses? I was like, yes, I would. That is absolutely me. That fits in perfectly with me. You guys know me. You guys know how my life is, what the kind of things are that I'm likely to use. You wouldn't fall for anything daft. You do know that I wear my glasses all the time. I can't see. If I knock my glasses off of the bedside table in the night, somebody has to come and pick them up, because if I get out of bed, I will crush them. And without them, I am useless. These are ordinary single distance vision lenses. I have tried varifocals, not got on very well with them. So when the people at Zinff asked me what kind of glasses I'd like, I went for single vision from them as well. Zinff sell eyewear for both men and women in a range of styles and prices. But as I've said before, they start really, really reasonable at £16 approximately English money. The website is US based, but they will convert into Great British pound for those of us who need to know the conversions. The order came after I told them which 2 pairs I'd like to try. It came incredibly quickly. I was really, really surprised by the quick dispatch, and I've got the 2 pairs to show you. So they arrived at my door in this plain recycled packaging. Just says Zinff on the front there, Zinff, that's their name, Zinff.com. And inside this nice plain brown box is a little glasses case. Nice and durable. You could chuck that in your handbag without worrying too much that it might get crushed. And each pair of glasses is in there with a nice cleaning cloth as well. So I went for styles that are quite different to what I usually wear, because I thought let's try something different. So you'll see that these are my standard glasses. They're quite a narrow lens with a thick arm, and I've worn this style for quite a while now. So when Zinff said, well, I'd like to try something, I thought, let's try something completely different. So we'll unpack this pair. There they are, all wrapped up in their optical cleaning cloth. And these are called Apollo. They are the Apollo Browline Rose Gold. There's a little arm protector on that one. And they are a lovely rose gold metal frame, clear nose pieces. And the reason they're called Browline is because the bottom of the frame is almost not there. You know, it's a much thicker frame along the top here. So they're completely different to what I would normally wear. They're completely out of my comfort zone, and the colour is different for me as well. The second pair that I chose are a similar shape, but they are a tortoiseshell frame. I've never in my entire life had a pair of tortoiseshell framed glasses, and as you can see, these are a much rounder lens than I've been wearing as well. So these are called Fatale, as in femme fatale. They have a really nice engraved arm there, makes them look very pretty. And these are in the red tortoise. I think they come in another colour as well, although don't quote me on that, check the website. So here we go with the Fatale. See if they turn me into a femme fatale. What do you think? I'm pleased with them. I really like them. They feel well made for the money. I think they're a good price. When I ordered my glasses, I put in my pupillary distance and put in my prescription, and I checked the frame measurements before I ordered. If anything, these are a little wide across the nose piece for me, but that's probably my own error in the measuring rather than anything else. But they do sit okay, and you can get little additional nose grips that you can put in there very, very cheaply from almost any optician that would solve that problem if it was an issue. But when I nod my head, they don't fly off my face, so it's really not that much of a problem. I'm not sure whether they suit me, but I don't know if that's just because they're so different to what I have been wearing for years, but I think I like them. I think they're very stylish. There's a lot of frames on the website. There's a huge number to choose from, and yeah, I think I like these. What do you think? Do you think they suit me? And so back to the first pair that I showed you, which is the Apollo. These are the rose gold. Of course, rose gold has been really, really in for a while, hasn't it? It's been the most popular coloured metallic stuff for several years now. But I've never had rose gold glasses. These are a different style on the nose piece there. So the Apollo were a moulded plastic nose piece, and these are what are those bits called? I don't know what those bits are called. The little rubber nose mounts. I'm sure they're not called that. I'm sure I've made that up. There we go. That's the Apollo. I don't think they're quite as suitable for me as the tortoiseshell ones. I think the tortoise. Can't say tortoiseshell. I think the tortoiseshell. Why can't I say that? I say it slowly. I think the tortoise shell ones suited me better, and also probably they don't go with my earrings. So maybe if I put rose gold earrings in, maybe that would have gone better. But of course, when I wear them, I can change my earrings to suit. I think they make me look intelligent, which is always a plus because I don't feel intelligent most of the time. So I think these make me look quite clever. Maybe my other glasses don't make me look clever enough. Maybe I should wear these all the time and people will know that Carla knows stuff. So, I think for the price, I think Zinff glasses are amazing. I'm really impressed with the speed. The prescription is fine, by the way. I ordered them in my prescription, which, just so that you know, you can have an eye test done anywhere. A lot of high street opticians will do a free eye test. You can get a voucher on their websites and things like that. But you don't have to get your glasses there just because you've had your eye test there. You can ask for a copy of your prescription, take it away with you, and send it off to zinff.com and get your glasses made there. So my prescription is fine. Looking at these, it's absolutely spot on. It's, you know, there's no distortion, there's no problem with the lenses at all. They've done a good job of those. Much bigger lenses than in my other glasses, which gives me a wider field of vision, which is a bit odd to get used to, but that's more the change in the style. That's nothing to do with the glasses. And in the other pair as well, in the Fatale, the prescription again, absolutely fine in those. No problem at all with the prescription in either pair. So it's certainly not a case of affordable means you don't get quality. I think these are good quality glasses. I'm really pleased that Zinff contacted me and asked me to review a couple of pairs, and they've also given me a discount code. So just my name, Carla, will get you 50% off frames. I will put the links to these two frames in the box below, and also a link to other glasses on the website, and I'll also put the discount code in the box below. Let me know if you decide to try them. By all means, if you use my link, let me know, because that'll be fun as well to know whether that's been used. But let me know if you decide to try Zinff out, and let me know what you think of them. And in the meantime, all that's left for me to say is thank you to Zinff for letting me try your glasses, and I'll see you all soon. Take care. Bye bye.